Alright, it's going.
At the time,
Yeah, he just like
to go. Then guess what? Oh man, they got St. Charles Rock Road blocked off.
Oh, since
Sorry,
St. Charles
Bo.
Rock Road is blocked off.
Blocked.
How is St. Charles blocked?
Yes,
Okay,
it's
no,
blocked
St. Charles Rock
off.
Road isn't blocked. There's too many people coming off of the highway, you know, trying to escape.
You know what?
Oh
I'm
my
never gonna be
God.
home, and I'm
It's
so gonna be
stanky.
late for work.
Yeah, Renee.
I'm just gonna be like, hey, sorry, I'm backed up.
Renee, we in traffic.
Significant damage. I mean,
But you know what? Wait till you
Renee.
see some of the pictures. Joshua's
Yeah, you know how many
recording
pictures?
everything. I think they're
Huh?
detouring
I'm about to
the
get some,
traffic
too.
to St. Charles,
Okay, good for you.
and that's why I'm still sitting here. But I'll let you see it. But I
there
was
you go.
like,
I'm pointing
I
over
was
there.
Just to get on my
mom
nerves
told me
right now.
home from work, and that was after 11, and then I called.
Cars in the way.
Yeah.
Cars.
Look at that. Look at that over there.
Just to
You
get
zoom?
on my nerves.
Yeah, I'm zoomed in.
So
Her.
Girl, why was he outside running
Look
around?
at
I
that,
thought she was
man.
calling
I was
for
like,
something totally
He
different.
was outside running
Look
around
at those.
in the
Look
rain.
over there. Look at all those.
I
trees
know.
and
I'm pointing over there right now.
And I was like, why would you do that?
Yeah,
He said,
so I'll
adrenaline rush. I just
won't
want
bother
to do
you
it. And I
anymore.
was like,
Look at that. But you take it easy and
Completely
drive
devastated.
safe. Oh my goodness.
"Football."
You should definitely come up St. Charles Rock Road. I'm telling you. You will be like, oh my goodness. And I'm not even coming to be spectacle at all.
St. Charles Rock Road is so destroyed.
Warzone, crazy.
No. But once you're safe.
That's exactly what it looks like.
Everybody looking. Just drive.
I'll talk to you. I'm gonna have to
Looks
call
like
my
a
boss
war
and tell her
zone
I'm
over
so
there.
gonna be late for work. Oh, there's nothing I can do. Alright.
Mom, you gonna call Renee next?
No, I gotta call my job.
It
and
is
tell her
completely
I'm trying
devastated.
to work, but the devastation and the tornado hit is right by me, and everything's blocked off.
The Easter kid. Bye.
Hey, Shauna. Baby, this is Chantel. I am so gonna be late for work. Where that twister hit at, it's right by me. And I am trying to get there, but I ended up running to get some
Oh
shoes.
my God.
Everything is blocked off, and I'm sitting here on St. Charles Rock Road thinking I was doing a shortcut, and it's right in the middle. Yeah, it took me over 2 hours just to get home from detouring. So I am trying to...
Everybody
walk
looking
off
over there. It is devastated, man.
and, oh my God, if you see this, like, really, your mouth would drop. It's,
Looks like a
I
war
don't
zone.
believe I'm this close to where the twister was. I didn't even know this was going on because I was at work. I'm that close to the airport. Like, I can, like, walk and
Look
get to the
at that
airport.
You get closer to that over there.
So I'm very
No, you get
close.
closer to that over there.
So I just tell her I'm not doing this on purpose. I just am
Oh my
fighting
God, look at that
traffic
big tree.
trying to get to work. All right, thanks, Faye.
Like completely devastated.
Oh my God, look at that tree right there. Oh my God.
Yes, Mama. This is what was going on when you was in work.
Look at that, all of that. Look at that. It's like there's cars. What cars? Right there, babe. That's like wrapped up pieces of cars.
What it is?
All debris all over the place. You can tell where it came from. Like most of this white stuff, I guarantee you came from that building right there.
Look at that big tree. It fell over.
There goes a 20
Right
miles
there
per
with
exit
the
sign knocked down.
11570. Look at that big tree.
I know. I saw that tree. And the power line is messed up completely.
See, but check out that building right there, though. It's just warped in. Just, oh. I was hurt by 20.
Traffic lights are devastated.
I don't
Nissan
want to call
350Z.
Grandma because Grandma is already so upset about this.
St. Louis devastation. Just like in I forgot what date it was, but 19 something was just like this. Devastation, man.
I didn't realize something. Why is that cop's car on the median? In the center of the road.
I mean, look at that. Like, it
Yeah, ain't no traffic.
like
lights.
ripped
You
this
gotta
stuff up like it was nothing.
And you can tell that the twister can't pass over here.
On the
You
left
can
side of the
tell.
street. Oh man, we finna. That's great. That bad damage. You see that? up without power speed.
I mean, look at that. This close to us.
I still can't believe that, man. The storm was that close to our house. Look at these traffic lights, man. Turned over, completely turned. And you know, this weather person told me that cars are light. A tornado can pick a car up like nothing. And that's why I said that don't get inside a car. They are light. They're not heavy.
And look at that stuff.
Stuff on the roof's broken off.
Look at that tree. I mean, look at that.
A power line completely snapped. Look at that.
I mean, look how low that
Completely snapped.
I mean,
That's
there's
dangerous.
stuff like everywhere.
A completely snapped power line on the ground.
Destroy the building. Gotta get a shot of that.
This was a tornado on the ground. Look at that. Completely on the ground.
Look
Devastated.
At this house.
Look at this house.
Look at that.
Completely
Like
devastated.
their businesses are destroyed.
Really low power lines on the ground right now.
That's the Baker chiropractor that you remember that was on the news. Look at it. It's gone.
It's gone. Devastated.
Something was here and I don't even know what it was anymore.
Yep, gone. It's gone. And look at that billboard over there. It's gone.
Yeah,
Look
I
at
mean,
this link power
Like,
line.
that
Look
was
at
a
that
new
brick building right there. That's an all white. Bricks.
It's gone.
Blown apart like nothing.
Something was over here and it is gone. It blew over that billboard. It's gone. And look
You
at
know, I was
and look at
actually
this
buying
traffic
a
light.
house around
It's
here.
gone.
I'm just so glad I didn't. I wonder what happened to all these
Look at
cars.
that, like that bricks building. It was blown over.
Everything's gone. Devastated. Everything is gone.
They're checking all the cars.
Yeah, they gotta sit here and check every one of these cars.
Everything is devastated. The twister came past this direction. Everything is gone. Some of the cars that got devastated, I know that for sure.
No, I mean stuff is broke. I don't even know what that metal thing is. Look at that metal stuff up there.
It bent one of the light poles on the.
Yeah, I know I see that. If I can zoom in. There it is, right there.
I wonder what that was in that empty space though.
Goes a big wooden brick right here. I mean, everything devastated.
Chrissy, you don't have your camera? Go.
Gas station people are really lucky.
We're gonna have to come. Your daddy and y'all is gonna have to come back down here and take pictures.
This Jeep wasn't right here. It's been thrown right here, I think.
They're probably moving all the cars to a different location. That's probably what they gonna do. Move all the cars.
Everything is devastated, completely devastated. Everything is gone.
I mean, look at that. I don't even know what that is up there.
Padville. Where's Padville?
Look at that. All those sightings pulled up off the roofs. It's hard to believe. Like, our house is here and this is here. Like, it's still unbelievable.
Wow. St. Louis Airport, St. Charles Rock Road. Devastated. I mean, look at these. Look at this fence. Some of it got
you know
blown
what?
over.
That was a closed fence, honey. It's missing pieces now. It wasn't like that. It was a full white gate, honey.
So where are the rest of the board?
We don't know, honey. It
That's
just
what they
went
don't
away.
take it with them. It took souvenirs. It took souvenirs. It took souvenirs.
So they look like, man, I'm liking these boards. Kill every one of them.
There's some over there on the parking lot.
Wow.
It blew most of the boards just out. So you can see them on the backside.
think there's no more damage now. I'm not seeing much. A very linked power line over there. I seen some snap power lines on the way to the mall. Completely snapped in half. I mean, all of the devastation done by this tornado.
Well, at least this church didn't get destroyed.
What was that? Still unbelievable how a storm like this can come past the airport. I mean, I've never seen damage like this in my entire life of liking storms. I've never seen something like this.
Okay, at least when we get to that part, there's electricity.
This was about, I say, about an EF2 or 3.
Have they said what it is yet?
No.
No, but I'm guessing it was about an EF2 or 3. Cause damage like this, it was about a 2 or 3. Look at that part of that big building over there. So some of the sidings that got ripped.
Oh, look at the doggy.
It's that building over there with all the blue glass.
Oh, yeah, right there.
See? So some of the sidings got turned off.
Yep, all right there on the side.
Torn off.
Not only that, it's messed up. There's holes in it.
What? Oh, God.
There's holes in it.
What?
Look.
Where?
Look.
There is.
That's not siding. That place is demolished on the side.
They hurt.
Wow, they got hurt over there.
Look at that broken glass everywhere. There goes some of the things. See? The white things. From the gates.
Yep.
Look at that. Oh, glass and...
Complete devastation. Complete devastation.
Okay, I got the right of way, fool.
Devastation. Look at that. Got devastated over there.
What sign is still up? Yeah, look at that.
They're devastated. That's about it. So, and then there's a few more trees and stuff and everything.
Mine is all that back there is what got destroyed.